Hello everyone, I'm Murjid, a second year student of International Islamic University, Chittagong, pursuing a Bachelor of Science in Computer Science and Engineering. Today, I'm going to show you and describe you about my project that I have completed in my Software Development 1 course with our respective lecturer, Mr. M. Fahim. Now let's talk about the project. The project is about a student management system based on Python Django framework. Python Django is a framework which mainly works through Python language and consists of the Python files and folders which are interconnected with each other through different links and paths and references. Don't worry, we will talk about those things in our project. Okay, let's dive into the code before jump on our project. Here we go. Here we can see some folders, Django project, students, static, etc. And if we dive into the folders, we can see some Python files which have different words and different roleplay to the whole project. Let's discuss about their role one by one. Here's settings.py that contains the whole configuration database, the apps that we have installed in our project. The urls.py, we define paths and URL links of the other files here. wsgui.py. Here we also have less work in project, but our main and most of works were done in students folder. For your kind information, we used HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, Bootstrap for frontend, and Python Django for backend, and as database we used DBL SQLite 3. Okay, let's go into the students folder. We have a templates folder. We created a student folder in which we described our HTML tags in index.html. Okay, and in static, here is the static folder. In static, we have also a CSS folder in which we define Bootstrap CSS tags. Let's start with models.py. Here in models.py, you see we created a class student and also define attributes, characteristics of a student. urls.py. Yes, we have also another urls.py in our students project. Here we define paths and links, and then we are going to views.py that processes requests and return responses, and then we are going to admin.py. It has the role to register the informations of a student, and it mainly works for the registration of a student. And at last, we have the database that manages the data. Let's see. Here we have DBS SQLite 3 and manage.py. In this manage.py, that manages the project, migrations, and run our server. Okay, in index.html, we have created three types of template tags. And for CSS, we have used bootstrap.css, and all of our bootstrap codes are here. And we have also used migrations. Okay, thus we have all. And to run our code, we have to activate our virtual environment. Okay, after including our virtual environment, we are going to our project. Let's go. Here we can see a username and a password. This is our project. Let's fill this. These are our registration. Here is my name origin and my password as said before. Let's log in. Okay, we're in our students project. And now we have three functionalities here. We can add the data and informations of a student, and we can change and update the data of a student later. Here we can see we have done before some students' data. Now if we add another student and his informations, let's click on add. Okay, let's suppose we have a student with a student number, first name Joy and last name. Let's give this email. Style field CSE and data. Suppose we are giving him 3.50. Okay, save this. Yeah, the students was successfully added in our database. And if we want to see, let's see our students are here. And if we want to see the data of our students, let's see. And here we can see the data of Shujoy, and there are also history, and we can also, if want, we can also delete his data, and if we want, we can also edit the data of Shujoy and also edit and update his informations. And in students, if we click there, here we can see we have 5 data of 5 students. And yeah, this is our project. Thank you. Last but not least, I want to say to you that I gained my position in the top 20 in the project submission. Okay, don't hesitate to reach me in LinkedIn, GitHub. I have given link in the description box. Don't hesitate to give your valuable suggestions in comments. Bye for now. Thank you.